Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be talking about 5 things that I learned during this quarantine period. So I was very doubtful about doing this video because many of the people come on my channel and tell me that you talk a lot, and this video is all about talking and talking. I will be talking a lot in this video, but I thought let's sit down and talk with you guys about this because I wanted to share this with you guys. So I really hope that you guys will like this. Also, you can see that I have did a full-on makeup today, like a red smoky eye kind of a thing, red and black. So if you want to see how I did this, then stay tuned for my next video on YouTube. That will be in the next week, so stay tuned for that. I will be showing you a depth routine video, like how I did this, like a full makeup tutorial. So if you want to see that and learn, then stay tuned for that video. And without further ado, let's get started to this video. So the first thing that I learned during this quarantine period is yoga and meditation. So I have been into this yoga and meditation from past a year or so. Many of people don't know that YouTube is not only thing I do, and I am a student. I am doing my masters in sports nutrition, so I am related to that field, and therefore I am into this yoga and meditation from a really long time. But during this quarantine period, I got the chance to really practice it. I won't practice it otherwise because because of the messed up routine that we have, and during this quarantine it was the best time to practice, and I started practicing, and trust me, I am hooked to the meditation. Especially like before sleeping every night I do meditation and sleep. That has helped me in every sense. So yeah, it has been beneficial for me. I have been practicing yoga also, not to that extent like meditation, but I have been, and I am trying my best to do yoga also, like every day. I am doing my online internship now, so it just happened that internship also is related to the yoga thing, like yogic thing, and it just happened that all came into together. And I recommend you to do yoga and meditation also on regular basis, and it will help you a lot. So the second thing that I learned during this quarantine period is reading books. Again, I used to read books, but not on that extent. Like in this two or 2.5 month period, I have almost completed 2 books. So I know that many of you must be saying that it is very normal for us to complete a book in 2 or 2.5 month of period, but it was not for me. I am not that kind of a reader. I like to go very slow, and I like to understand things and then read. I have not completed like more books because of this. And yeah, that was the second thing I learned, that reading books is also important. The third thing I learned, that it's okay to take breaks. My routine especially has always been like full of chaos, because I go to college Monday to Saturday, and I get only one day to shoot video, edit video, and I do all this stuff on the Sundays. I usually used to do before quarantine. This was my whole routine, and I used to be super busy every week. But during this quarantine period, I learned that it's okay to take breaks, because you work very hard on the other days. So if you feel on a day that you don't feel to do any work, you just feel to relax and all, then you can. I learned that it's okay to feel like that. So yeah, that was the third thing I learned. The next thing I learned is to be more humble, to have more gratitude towards nature. Obviously we are going through a very rough time, and it is very important to have that gratitude towards your nature, and you should be humble and kind towards everyone. And I have not seen this thing in my area, but I have seen these things in news and all, that if someone gets the virus, then they just abandon that person, and they just don't talk with that person, and just they leave that person like completely abandoned. And this is not fair, I think so. This is not really very fair. You should be like obviously you should take care of yourself first and then others, but this is not the way to react to this virus. And you know, you should, if they are your family members, then you should be with them and you should take care of them. That is the most important thing they want in this period. So that is what I thought, and therefore I thought this thing, that being humble towards the nature and being kind towards others is so very important nowadays, and just have that gratitude towards others and towards the nature is really very important. So that was the fourth thing that I learned during this quarantine period. The fifth and the last thing that I learned is, as the maushis and all, they are not coming into our house now during this period, and we have to do all the work, and that has made me realize that they do so much of work, and we just, you know, especially we just put all the things without thinking, and they just have to clean all the things at one go, and that becomes like very difficult. And I have learned this, that I want to thank them, that whatever they do is like really very special for us, because of them we can go out and work freely without any worry. So yeah, that was the last thing that I learned during this quarantine period. So these were the 5 things that I learned during this quarantine period. I really hope that I have not talked a lot in this video, and I really hope that you guys like this video. And yeah, you know the drill, that if you like this video, then press the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell button beside subscribe button, so every time I post video you will get notified and you will watch that video. And of course, this video was really very close to me. This video was concept that I wanted to shoot from a very long time, and I thought, like, let's sit down and shoot this video today. So I really hope that you guys like this video, and do tell me in the comment section that how you guys like this, and do tell me in the comment section if you relate to what I said in this video. So yeah, that's it for today's video. We will meet next time. Bye. We dancing.